My simplicity question to everybody is there: how can we deny, and why should we deny uniform civil code when the Constitution of India as well as humanity grounds are supporting humanitarian based uniform civil code? I want two aspects mainly. One is legal, one is humanity ground. Now, when we speak of constitution, as per preamble, we have been provided in the year 1950 itself by the constitution that we will be getting justice which includes social. We will be getting liberty which includes thoughts, expression, belief, faith and worships. Of course, equality of status and opportunity are there. Fraternity is there, asserting my dignity, dignity of individual and unity, integrity, etc. This is the preamble which is been provided to us by us being what is the people of India, means that is we, and we have given this to the nation as per preamble. The basic is regarding justice, regarding liberty, regarding equality, regarding fraternity. Now, in this background, first we will go to Article 12. What does Article 12 says? It says that state includes government and parliament, etc. State government also. And in this basis, in this background, we'll speak about Article 13, Part 3, Article 13, Fundamental Rights. Laws inconsistent with or in derogation of the fundamental rights, all the laws in force in the territory of India immediately before the commencement of this constitution, as far as they are inconsistent with the provisions of this part, shall, to the extent of such inconsistency, be void, has no effects, zero effects, which were before. At the same time, if we read it further, it includes even laws made after effect of this constitution. And what does it further? What law includes? Ordinances, orders, bylaws, rules, regulations, notification and custom or usages having in the territory of India. Customs and usages which are contrary or inconsistent with this chapter of fundamental rights are void, total void, having no effect, zero effects. If we go further, then equality before law comes. Article 14. The state means government, parliament, everybody. The state shall not deny to any person equality before the law or the equal protection of the laws within the territory of India. What the word is used is not deny. Means not to deny equality to anybody in the India every citizen comes. Now, if we speak of personal law, equality comes denying. Equal protection. Does equal protection get to everybody? Does, if we speak of personal laws, dividing every personal law separately, then how come equal protection comes? Preamble, same thing. Preamble also not denied. Now, we will go further. Prohibition of discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth, or any of them. Place of birth certainly includes womb, from where actual birth is there, from lady's womb. It includes. It doesn't exclude, it includes. Test tube, from where a child can have a birth. Laboratory, from where a child can have a birth. It includes, not excludes. It includes area, region, countries, states, etc., etc. But it also includes and does not exclude womb, laboratory, test tube. And if we read this article 14, 15 and preamble, then as per article 13 of the Constitution, all the personal laws which does not provide equality to every citizen of India and which discriminate within India to maximum of citizens due to personal laws are void. As per my view, they are totally void. Because Article 14 and 15 are speaking two things. One is giving equality, one is saying no denial, no discrimination. Why these two articles have come together one by one? Simple equality would have used one. Simple discrimination word, okay. But why the constitution makers have insert these two parts simultaneously, one after the other? Equality also and no discrimination also. Equality also and no discrimination also. In such a background, as per me, only option is humanity-based uniform civil code. Because all personal laws which doesn't provide equality or which denies equality and which discriminates amongst the peoples are void as per Article 13. Yeah, there is one defense from many peoples, that is regarding Article 25. Freedom of conscience and free profession, practice and propagation of religion. What it states, subject to public order, morality and health, and to the other provisions of this part, that is fundamental rights, all persons are equally entitled to freedom of conscience and right freely to profess, practice and propagate religion. That includes Article 14 and 15. What it says, subject to other subject to other provisions of this part. That is Article 14 and 15. Means even birth comes. Birth from womb comes. Birth from test tube comes. Birth from laboratory comes. It includes. Doesn't exclude. And if that is so, from birth of that particular citizen, particular person, they has got this freedom. Not stating that by birth they are Muslim, by birth they are Hindu, by birth they are Sikh, by birth they are religious, Parsi, by birth they are Christian. No, it's not that way. It says freedom from birth, because Article 15 comes. And then freedom from birth, every person, all persons, that is every person, are equally entitled. Means that is from birth. You can't force that due to birth from a womb, you are Christian, you are Sikh. No, it's not that way. From birth, you are Hindu. From birth, you are Muslim. You can't say, because Article 15 totally denies this. Discrimination is not allowed. And so all the personal laws on the basis of this are totally void. This freedom is from birth itself, not due to coming into birth, due to from anybody's womb. It's not that way. It is on that person. This constitution has left the things on that coming person who has got the birth to decide for himself. You are forcing himself due to this personal laws. This is not allowed. No forcing is allowed. As per Article 25 also, no religious freedom of conscience, profess, practice, propagate from birth is there. It is that person has got the choice. You are, as per these personal laws, you are forcing him to be a particular, be a Muslim, be a Hindu, be a Jain, be a Parsi, be a Baudh, be a Sikh, be a Christian. Why? No. After he being mature, he can take his decision either to practice, conscience, profess, propagate any religion or all religion, some of combined religion, or none of them. It is this discrimination, this freedom is given. But by personal law as well as by practices which we are seeing in around us, from whom you have come to birth. Oh, your mother is, your father is Hindu, so you are Hindu. Your mother is, father is Jain, so you are Jain. Your mother is, father is Muslim, so you are Muslim. What is this? It's not that. Article 25 as well as humanity rules. I support humanity rules also states that every person is being from birth only human. It has got choice. That person has got choice after becoming mature. And till age of 18 or till the maturity age, you can teach him as many humanity based religions are there available. No stoppage. But humanity based, my word is there, humanity based. Because why? The word is subject to provisions of this part, that is fundamental rights. And if this is so, I think Article 44, which provides for uniform civil code, is just not uniform civil code. It is a uniform civil code based on fundamental rights. That is part 3. And it has to become at the earliest, because if I go in the court, all these laws are expected for me to be declared void. All personal laws, if personal laws are being declared void, what will be the effect? So I need uniform civil code based on humanity, to with freedom from birth, including for profession, practice, propagate, etc., of religious or no practice, etc. Deny them also. Every person will be only human. He will not be Hindu, he will not be Jain, he will not be Sikh, he will not be Muslim, he will not be Buddha, he will not be Christian, he will not be Parsi or anybody else. He will be only human before law, at least before law. Yeah, this constitution is speaking of same thing. Humanity grounds are also speaking on the same thing. I don't want to say further at this junction. I will speak about this later on. But presently, for everybody's your knowledge, I am speaking on the constitution itself. Why I want uniform civil code based on